In this video, let's talk about how to open PSBank online account. Now, this is a quite simple process in order to create an online banking account or just a bank account of PSBank as well. You simply need to download the application of PS Mobile onto your device and you'll come across a similar section once you open up the application. Now, as you can see, there are two options to open a new deposit account, which means this is the option of creating a new bank account. But if you don't want to do that and if you just want to enroll on the online banking, you need to tap on the second option, which is sign up / enroll to PSBank mobile. So depending upon your option, you just need to select one of these options. If you want to create a bank account, you need to have your IDs ready with you, such as your passport or your driver's license, and you just need to fill in your information such as your full name, your mobile number, your email address, and your financial details, and your account should be created. In terms of opening up or signing up to the online banking, you need to add in your bank account number, add in your mobile number, and then just create your credentials such as your username and your password. So that's basically it on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.